Hello friends, good morning. I am Hina Varu, student of MA English semester 3 at the Department of English, Bhakta Kavi Narsimha Mehta University, Junagadh, Gujarat, India. Today is our 7th video lecture of Shakespearean series. My colleague have also discussed 5 major characters in Hamlet. Now I would like to discuss 5 minor characters: Laertes, the Ghost, Horatio, Fortinbras, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern. So let's start. First character is Laertes. Laertes, whose name means gatherer of the people, is a character in Shakespeare's play Hamlet. He takes his name from Laertes, the father of Odysseus in Homer's Odyssey. Laertes is a young man around the same age as Hamlet, studying in France. He is the elder brother of Ophelia and the son of Polonius. Laertes is a brash, bold and headstrong, particularly when it comes to protecting his sister Ophelia. Although he is a minor character, he plays a major role in the play. Laertes first appears in Act 1, Scene 1, where he advises his sister on a romantic relationship with Prince Hamlet. In the final scene, he seeks revenge for the death of his father and his sister, for which he blames Hamlet by mentally stabbing him with poison-tipped sword. While dying from the same poison, Laertes implicates King Claudius. Second character is the Ghost. The Ghost, also known as Old Hamlet, is the previous king of Denmark. He is the Hamlet's father, Gertrude's husband. The Ghost is killed by his own younger brother, Claudius. However, Claudius officially declared that Old Hamlet died to a snake bite. The Ghost first appears to due of a soldier, Bernardo and Marcellus, as well as Hamlet's friend Horatio. According to oral tradition, Shakespeare himself originally played the role of the Ghost on stage. True to Horatio's account to the king's personality, the Ghost is pragmatic and specific in delivering his message of revenge. They speak only to Hamlet and ensures they are alone before the conversing. The Ghost symbolizes the call for Hamlet to seek revenge for his father's death. Third character is Horatio. Horatio, derived from the old Latin surname Honorius, means timekeeper. He is a poor Danish scholar who serves as Hamlet's confidant and advisor throughout most of the play. Horatio, portrayed as utterly dependable, well-educated, stoical, disappointed and devoted. He is Hamlet's closest friend and studied with him at the University of Wittenberg. Horatio remains loyal to Hamlet until the end. Is one of the few characters that survive. In the final scene, he tells Hamlet's story to Prince Fortinbras. The relationship between Hamlet and Horatio is unaffected by betrayal, symbolizing the ultimate faithful friend. Fourth character is Fortinbras. Fortinbras, whose name is strong in arm, is a man of action. He makes decisions quickly and always ready to take action. Despite being one of Shakespeare's most minor characters, he holds dramatic relevance in the play. Fortinbras is a young prince of Norway whose uncle, Old Fortinbras, was killed by Hamlet's father, Old Hamlet. He seeks to attack Denmark to avenge his father's honor, serving as a foil for Prince Hamlet. Fortinbras is dutiful, respectful to his parents and determined to serve his country, as demonstrated by his willingness to fight for Norway and avenge his father's death. Hamlet admires this readiness and willingness, which leads to his decision to appoint Fortinbras as his successor. Fifth character is Rosencrantz and Guildenstern. Rosencrantz means rose wreath and Guildenstern means golden star, are two school friends of Hamlet. They are often portrayed as silly and unintelligent. Claudius and Gertrude invite them to court in order to find out what is causing Hamlet's madness. Thank you very much, friends. Have a nice day.